Okay, welcome to Wall Street X. My name is Hugh, and today we are doing billionaires that are buying the dip. Here's what stocks they're acquiring. A reminder to always do your own research, and that most active funds do not beat the S&P 500, but the billionaires in question are Bill Ackman and David Tepper, and they are loading up on Amazon, Meta, Micron Technology, and Taiwan Semiconductor. The Bill Ackman additions are Amazon and Meta. Analysts have rated Amazon a strong buy on average. The average analyst one-year forecast is 16% for Amazon, and insiders have largely been selling off the stock, which is interesting with this, but it has an average valuation for a Mag 7 tech company at around 28 price to earnings. Diverse, reliable revenue sources, of course, thanks to their AWS streaming platform and their main e-commerce store as well. They have beat their last 3 earnings calls as well, which is a great sign. Bill Ackman recently added $4 million worth of Amazon shares last quarter, and he's doubled down on his original position, which now makes up about 13% of his entire portfolio. Amazon is an excellent stock for investors who are looking for a low-risk, medium-reward stock with great growth forecasts and reliable revenue streams, and so we have rated Amazon a buy, and we maintain that. And as for Meta, his other acquisition, Meta stock has strong revenue growth forecasts. They've beat their last 3 earnings calls, and analysts have rated Meta stock a strong buy. Meta stock a strong buy. Meta has a 30% one-year upside on average is what analysts are agreeing on. That is very, very high, especially for a Mag 7 company. Ackman has also recently added about $3 million worth of Meta stock to his Pershing Square portfolio, now making up about 12% of all his holdings. This stock is a great choice for investors who want exposure to that creative AI side, but while being backed by Meta's proven ad-backed revenue streams. We've put Meta as a medium risk, medium reward stock, although you could argue it's low risk thanks to those ad-based revenue streams, and we have rated it a strong buy with a 22% one-year forecast. And now moving on to David Tepper, he's added Micron Technology and Taiwan Semi. Micron Technology MU stock, analysts have rated this one a strong buy, and it has shown extreme performance. They've beat all 4 of their last earnings calls, and they've actually smashed all 4 of their last earnings calls. EPS is forecasted to grow around 42% over the next year, and it does have a high valuation with a PE kind of hovering around 40, but it does have that EPS growth to match, which we like to see. That's going to hold that valuation high. Tepper has added $1 million worth of this stock to his portfolio last quarter, which now makes up about 8.6% of his portfolio right now. Analysts have continued to place their buy ratings for this semiconductor stock amidst a flurry of earnings beats and earnings up revisions, and we have put MU as a medium risk, high reward stock, and we maintain our buy rating as well. And our last stock on the list, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. TSM's beat all 4 of the last earnings calls, just like Micron, and their EPS is forecasted to improve 129% over the next 3 years. That is a crazy amount of growth. High valuation with a mid-30 PE ratio, not as bad as Micron, with higher forecasted growth, but their EPS growth certainly supports that one as well. Extremely high growth in their revenue lately as well. If you look at the chart, it's up and to the right, which is what you want to see. Suppose your right would be over here. Anyways, the average one-year forecast for TSM is 16%, and like I said, analysts have rated TSM a strong buy on average, and having recently added about $70,000 worth of shares, Tepper now holds almost $437 million worth of TSM right now, which makes up about 6% of his portfolio. TSM manufactures 70% of the world's semiconductor. Obviously, they have quite a wide moat, and that's giving a lot of analysts confidence right now, and that with their earnings growth potential is really going to make this a medium risk, high reward stock for us, and so we maintain our strong buy ratings, and that's going to be it for us tonight. Please click this link to see this video right here. Otherwise, have a great night, and thanks for watching.